The abandoned floating hotel. Out at sea, abandoned and forgotten, drifts one of the world's strangest relics, a floating hotel. Once celebrated as a marvel of modern engineering, today it sits as a ghostly reminder of dreams that never came true. In the late 1980s, Japan unveiled an audacious vision, a luxury hotel, not on land, but floating on water. Built in Hiroshima at a cost of over $40 million, the project promised to revolutionize tourism. Guests could enjoy the comforts of a five-star resort while surrounded by endless sea. It was named the Four Seasons Barrier Reef Resort, and in 1988, it was towed thousands of kilometers to its home near the Great Barrier Reef, Australia. It was the world's first floating hotel and the largest of its kind. With 200 rooms, a nightclub, bars, and even a tennis court, the floating hotel seemed destined for success. Guests were ferried from the mainland, eager to experience this futuristic escape. It felt surreal, like being on a cruise ship that never moved. The ocean was right at your doorstep, but you had all the comforts of a luxury resort. But dreams soon clashed with reality. Logistics were difficult, weather was unpredictable, and maintaining the hotel was far more costly than anticipated. Just a year after opening, the floating hotel closed its doors. Instead of being scrapped, the massive structure was sold. First, it was relocated to Vietnam's Saigon River in the early 1990s. Renamed the Saigon Floating Hotel, it briefly found new life as a buzzing nightlife hotspot. But once again, economics and practicality spelled its downfall. After just a few years, it was abandoned once more. Today, the floating hotel rests near North Korea, in the port of Nampo. Once a vision of luxury, it is now a decaying shell, slowly being reclaimed by the sea. The abandoned floating hotel remains a haunting symbol of human ambition, a reminder that even the grandest dreams can sink, not from storms or disasters, but from the quiet weight of reality. Forgotten by most of the world, this abandoned floating hotel drifts between history and myth. A ghost ship, not of the sea, but of human imagination. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.